What is computer science? Have you ever wondered how your favorite apps, games, or websites work behind the scenes? Welcome to the world of computer science, the brain behind all digital magic. Computer science is the study of computers, how they work, and how we can use them to solve problems. It's not just about programming, it's about logic, creativity, and innovation. It covers everything from algorithms and data structures to software design, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and even robotics. It's like learning the language of the future. Computer science is shaping the world, from self-driving cars to smart homes, digital banking to healthcare. It's one of the most in-demand and high-paying fields today. You'll find computer science in almost every industry: education, entertainment, medicine, space science, business, and even agriculture. Anyone can start learning it, whether you're in school, college, or just curious. All you need is a love for problem solving and a little bit of curiosity. Ready to start your journey in computer science? Follow us for easy lessons, quizzes, and real-world examples, and let's explore the digital future together.